what if by buying one product you could create an infinity of lens combinations? This is a new full-frame anamorphic lens from Greatjoy. A weird two-part lens that gives you a 1.8 times squeeze factor. But what's fantastic is that you can use only the front adapter to turn any normal lens into a real 1.35x anamorphic lens. Let's see how it works. You can use the 60mm lens directly on your camera to get a CinemaScope aspect ratio. This is already a small revolution, as every other 1.33x lenses on the market right now are for APS-C sensors. The image is sharp wide open with a pleasing anamorphic bokeh. Now let's add the adapter in front of the lens. Once it's screwed in place, you can turn it in the right orientation and then use the screws to keep it in place. Set the taking lens to infinity and only focus using the front adapter. Now, if we add the two squeeze factors together, we get a 1.8 squeeze factor. The most wanted kind of anamorphic lenses are the 2 times squeeze factor, but they are extremely expensive. This combination lets you shoot with a full frame lens that gives you a wonderful anamorphic look for a fraction of the cost of any 1.8 or 2 times lens for cinema cameras. Because you will mix the anamorphic flares of the adapter and the taking lens, you need to get a perfect alignment. Here, the anamorphic flares are less over the top than on other anamorphic lenses. And the subtle horizontal hazing gives a real Hollywood feel. It's really interesting to see that the flares are adapting to the color of the light source. Now, let's make this lightsaber feel even more real by adding a mist filter to make the blade more diffused. You can use this lens with a follow focus system by only using the front adapter for focusing both lenses. Let's test using vintage lenses mixed with the adapter only. First, I use the widest lens possible with the adapter, a Konica 40mm f1.8. Now let's test a telephoto lens, a Minolta 100mm f2.5. Here you can really see a difference in the bokeh. To have an idea on how a 2-time lens would compare, we shot with two do-it-yourself rigs that are way more difficult to use and time-consuming than using the Greyjoy lens. Both squeeze factors are very close and they will work perfectly together. Greyjoy created something that didn't exist. This is a fantastic new tool to tell stories. And for me, this is a brand to look for in the new fascinating world of single-focus anamorphic lenses. I really enjoyed using this combo, and I am going to experiment with different taking lenses mixed with the adapter and show you the results very soon. If you wanna see more videos like this, the best way to support the channel is on Patreon. Literally any contribution makes creating better content possible. Help support my projects and get exclusive behind-the-scenes content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.